I want to give a big thank you to both of my parents who have always supported me throughout everything, and of course a big thank you to the friends that I made here at Monmouth College.
I'd like to thank the chemistry department and the physics department for providing an outstanding academic experience for me.
All right, overall, I'd just like to thank everyone who I've met and encountered on my journey at Monmouth College, because each and every person I've met has helped in a significant way in my improvement as a student, as a person.
I would like to thank my mom for helping me through this entire experience, and Bob Simmons, Jim Fry, and John Salazar.
Thank you, Stacy Lowe's, for your constant support and understanding in all my problems.
I would like to thank my mom and my dad, Campus Outreach, and Mark Wilhart.
I'm a first-generation student. I'd like to give a big shout-out to Winnie Bowen, making my experience here at Monmouth College one experience of a lifetime. So, thanks, Wendy.